I might get into a ship with. It turns out that they have a lot more of my spec in the house this time. You know, there's no guarantee that fighter girl might not turn to lover girl. What's up, Naija? What's up, Africa? It's me, Lucy Edet Asian. You know me from your lockdown edition of the Big Brother Nigeria. But guess what? I'm back for the all-star season of Big Brother Naija. Let's get it. I've been here before, and yeah, what brings me back? The exposure. It's crazy. I mean, who wouldn't want that? What would I do differently this time? I think I would be here for, I don't want to say love, but not exactly fights this time. The last time I was here, I left without saying goodbye to anyone. That was because the energy was off and I could feel it. And I was right. I didn't know who was nominating me and everything, so I didn't even want to but no, that's not the energy we're coming back with. It's all love. I'm hoping I'm hoping it's all love, and yeah, it should just be fun and games until whenever. My strategy is just come and be a vibe, and hopefully nobody tries to bring their negative vibe near me, because I'm not about that life, you know. If you're going to talk about it, you're going to be about it and run your hands. So let's not get there, okay? The person I think would be shocked to see me the most, maybe Pere. I think Pere. It would be an odd experience. Yeah, because we partied. I don't know. I really don't know. I really don't know. I don't think any. I don't know. I'm hoping they're all shocked to see me. So who I think would be most excited to see me is Neo, because he was already saying, oh, I didn't see the video, but I was told, like, a number of people messaged me and they were saying, Neo just talked about you, he said he's missing you and your grills, oh, and that you're kind, and everyone just came, oh my god, this person said you're kind, I just, all of that. So yeah, I feel he'll be excited to just see me in the house, because I mean, he's my party buddy, and the foodie person is coming back, hoping not to have to deal with all of that though, but I mean, for the fun parts, sign me up. My thoughts on the game of my former housemates from the lockdown season. I don't know, because these people, they are shocking me. They didn't do all this when we were in the house. They come into this all-star and they're showing a different kind of character. I'm like, yo, I'm curious now. I really want to know, like, what's popping? Currently, my life, well, it's full of ups and downs as usual, but things are looking up. I just got a new car. Yes, my friend gave it to me, and I have a salon now. I also have a spot for my grill. I had before, but anyways, I have a spot for my grill, and I'm just about to start something with a clothing brand. That one is coming up soon. Y'all are gonna see the sleigh in the house this time. So there's that, and other things that are just in the pipeline. Plus, I really don't know what to expect, because life just keeps surprising me, and I'm all for it. So yeah, message to myself, Lucy, don't go and fight anybody's fight. Just mind your business. Because I have a way of, going to help people fight their fight. God, please. I just want to mind my business. Oh, God. Just mind your business. My friend says, deep breath. Deep breath. Oof. Hi, it's Lucy. I'm back. Better and badder.
Big Brother Naija.